Auriak otomano temlo kalo pei kalo kopom kesde jasi ya longongosi anuike chidwe luda potwe lota imoa ijaro rotini ludo Kampala ito nilolo mameta kanuto welede pareta kaisaunim kesda Aolior si ido icha kesi Adoiki karune peta ito mona depar mame Auriak kakeche wanyu ntotorim ibora yanga wapo donokin
Loteata kia kai kwa Kampala boya tane ntarang la piung nikir kagita boya kidolong la piung ni adolia pangine na baka target de punyo na kwarna nakishika kina ishia tungani kwa ku ya la tawi ako bana gina ngiri ngoro yani adolia aku ama kwa la tawi ni anyo ndo bala bala ya mana kwa ku ya tungani dia Aolior ko jamara be yakini biya ini zortar ngitunga kwarat ayona ma ke bang chala kalalo atamara de biya Kampala atama ngayen robade Kampala dani kwen ngakier tar ngamatoka kalo isola tawu au minta to kwartar ngai ting ni pisia ke pani na ngopiar au mu jang pisia rene kwa tema be ayo kwarre
Konyeda pedorosho tomano district alona park kesde baka sebem mamu kese dumu tutorepone reporter lo konya poti torona Auriak kanude ijukitidwe kecho routine.
Children come from all the sub-counties of Napak district, but we have some hotspots. The hotspots are in Lopopo and Matan. But overall, the children living on the streets represent all the sub-counties that we have in the district. And the main drivers are issues of food insecurity. As you are aware, this area is faced with a lot of security challenges in terms of food itself, but also security that is driven by
Ide riongetengolo ka women's desk aneo tomano moroto kesde baka sebe apor kesi kamunto si choto manodwe lude nyaka si kes kopeko anoto mano somiroi ido ichoto mano dua lum nyesde bale rionget eba mene kesado mona Auriak kech.
This is the fourth year, but we started and not in the first year, so I think it is from 19 to 2022, and now we have reintegrated in this from January up to now. We have reintegrated around 35 children.
Ido ngono loda chamuta jautoto mano someroi kesda iswama ite joko noe.
So these children, as we sit with them one by one, we counsel them and we ask them, what are you going to do as you are studying, what do you want to do? Some will tell you a doctor, others lawyers, others teachers. They mention all those good careers they feel to take on. So from there we keep on building on that and we encourage them. And now as I talk, some of them are even the best in academic performance.
Idwe lo nyesde baka eda bonebe enyakili pwa kechorere bongo bong konye bongo norete lo otomano roti na nude jau tenela ronon otomano kali ya kech.
If we are to stop recycling of my children, one of them is putting them to school. And when you put them in school, those who are school going age, because I saw majority of them are school going age, and there should be a boarding facility where they should be able to enter inside, and they shouldn't come for security reasons. The other is that as children are in school, there should be economic family support. In terms of IGA, if their parents are supported economically, they should be able to do some work. And when these children come back from home, because they are used to begging there, they should be able to enter integrated in this family kind of business, and they should be able to get occupied.
The district has been a call upon the parents for responsibility, that the responsibility of a child lies in the hands of the parents. The parents have to be responsible. Now what we are pushing for the district security committee is to make the parent responsible. We have punishments that we have made the parents go through. Community service as one of them.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Napak.